Welcome to Review Rumble. The best price boards is probably one of the most essential tools for any business looking to clearly and effectively communicate their offerings to customers, whether in a retail store, a restaurant, or even a service-based industry. These boards serve as a silent salesperson, guiding customers through your products and services, highlighting key information, and ultimately influencing purchasing decisions. In today's competitive market, a well-designed and informative price board can be the difference between a browsing customer and a paying one, making it a critical investment for enhancing the customer experience and boosting your bottom line. Number 5. Ilyapa Wooden A-Frame Chalkboard Sign. Introducing the Ilyapa Wooden A-Frame Chalkboard. Crafted from high-quality solid wood, its robust construction ensures it will stand the test of time. This sign features a double-sided magnetic surface, offering ample space for all your messages. The non-porous material allows for easy cleaning without leaving any residue. Get started right away with the included magnetic eraser and 4 pieces of white chalk. It's designed for your immediate convenience. Perfect for a wide range of uses, from restaurant menus and wedding signs to business promotions and party announcements. Let your creativity flow for any event. We stand by the quality of our products. Ilyapa is committed to providing excellent customer support for any issues you may encounter. What we like. This board offers a magnetic, non-porous surface that's easy to clean and won't ghost. If you need a durable and versatile sign for daily use in a busy restaurant or shop, this is a great choice. Its ability to be written on and wiped clean repeatedly makes it ideal for frequently changing menus or promotions. What people say. The turquoise color is very pretty and stands out in front of the store. It was easy to set up and feels strong and good quality. It's a great product for small businesses like mine. Looks cute and works well. It was sturdy and constructed well, it easily stood on its own without additional help. Number 4. Ilyapa Wooden A-Frame Chalkboard. Introducing the Ilyapa Wooden A-Frame Chalkboard, a versatile and stylish way to communicate. Its large magnetic surface is perfect for any message you want to share. This elegantly crafted sign comes complete with an eraser and chalk. You'll have everything you need to start writing and drawing right away. Designed with a heavy-duty wooden frame and a durable chalkboard surface, it's built to last. This sign can withstand winds and outdoor conditions for years to come. Enhance the look of any event or business with this rustic sidewalk sign. Its versatile design makes it perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. Featuring a large writing area of approximately 28 by 18 inches, there's plenty of room for your creativity. The overall dimensions are 40 by 20 inches, with a 2-inch wooden frame. We stand behind the quality of our magnetic sidewalk chalkboard. Ilyapa is committed to helping you resolve any issues that may arise, ensuring your satisfaction. What we like. This option is designed for longevity with a heavy wooden frame and sturdy chalkboard surface, perfect for both indoor and outdoor settings. If you're looking for a rustic aesthetic and a sign that can withstand the elements for years to come, this is the one. It's ideal for businesses or events that require a sign to be placed outside or in high-traffic areas. What people say. The turquoise color is very pretty and stands out in front of the store. It was easy to set up and feels strong and good quality. The chalkboard is easy to clean, and the eraser works fine. It was sturdy and constructed well, it easily stood on its own without additional help. Number 3. TrendArti Felt Letterboard, 16 by 12 inch. Say it all with our versatile felt letterboard. It comes with 680 letters, numbers, and symbols in 2 convenient sizes, perfect for any message you want to share. From holidays and parties to daily announcements, this board is a fun and engaging way to communicate. It's ideal for celebrations, inspirational quotes, or just a daily dose of humor. Don't let a small board limit your creativity. This large 16 by 12 inch message board offers ample space for longer quotes, to-do lists, or heartfelt notes. Crafted with a high-quality, durable oak wood frame, it adds a touch of rustic charm to any room. It's a stylish alternative to plastic boards, designed to last. Easily display your messages wherever you like. It includes a sawtooth hanger for wall mounting and a stand for tabletop or shelf placement. Keep all your letters organized and ready to use with 2 included storage bags. Everything you need is neatly tucked away. What we like. This board comes with a vast collection of letters and symbols, offering maximum creative expression. If you love to change your messages frequently, enjoy crafting inspirational quotes, or need a stylish way to announce daily specials, this is perfect for you. Its premium oak frame and dual mounting options make it a versatile decor piece for any home or business. What people say. It came with a lot of letters, numbers, and cute symbols so you can do numerous quotes and not worry about running out of anything. It came with a little stand but also has a hook on the back to hang it up on the wall. This letterboard was exactly what I was hoping it would be. I've bought a letterboard in the past at Target, and it didn't have enough letters half the time and larger words couldn't even fit on one line. I definitely don't have this issue with this product. Number 2. Personalized engraved wood cutting board. Celebrate life special moments with a truly unique gift. This personalized cutting board is perfect for weddings, anniversaries, housewarmings, and more. It's designed for both entertaining and everyday use. Serve your guests in style or prepare your favorite meals with this versatile board. Crafted from premium walnut, cherry, or bamboo, it features deep laser engraving that won't fade. Each piece showcases beautiful, natural wood grain. Make it personal with custom engraving of names and dates. This elegant design is precision crafted to be a cherished keepsake. Unlike printed designs, our engraving penetrates the wood for permanent, crisp detail. It's built to last and maintain its beauty over time. This timeless gift adds warmth to any kitchen. It's a meaningful way to commemorate new beginnings and lasting memories. Proudly handcrafted by a family business in California. We ensure high quality and careful attention to detail in every personalized order. What we like. This product offers deep laser engraving on premium wood, making it a highly personalized and lasting keepsake. If you're searching for a unique and meaningful gift for weddings, anniversaries, or new homeowners, this is an excellent choice. It serves as both a functional charcuterie board and a beautiful piece of decor that celebrates special milestones. What people say. The wood is solid and of high quality. The engraving came out amazing. Love that you can customize your design with many choices to choose from. Real wood, sturdy. 2 of the recipients don't want to even cut on them, choosing to display in their homes instead. Number 1. Juvale 6-pack mini chalkboard signs with stand. Elevate any event with these charming table signs. They add a touch of elegance to weddings, business events, and more, serving perfectly as table signs or name cards. Showcase your messages exactly how you want. These signs can be displayed in portrait or landscape, making them ideal for catering and food displays to enhance any presentation. Update your messages with ease using regular or liquid chalk markers. A simple wipe with a cloth keeps them looking pristine for repeated use. Built with a sturdy wood base, these signs offer reliable stability. They provide a professional touch for any occasion, from weddings to farmers market setups. This set includes 6 signs with bases, perfect for organizing your event. Use them as place cards or buffet display signs for a cohesive and stylish presentation. What we like. These mini chalkboards are perfect for adding an elegant touch to table settings or small displays. If you're planning an event like a wedding, banquet, or need to label food items at a coffee shop or farmer's market, these are ideal. Their compact size and included stands make them incredibly versatile for various organizational and decorative needs. What people say. You are able to write on both sides and stands hold them good. Very sturdy and easy to clean. They stayed upright and we were able to clean them off and store for future use. The chalk marker comes off with water. There may be a slight ghost of the old design, but the double-sided is perfect for many events. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.